My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
So, guys, episode 7. I'm gonna show you. It's a real small episode this time. I had 3 horrible weeks prepping the car, so I just put the camera somewhere and took a time lapse of it. That's it, nothing more for this episode. Yeah, we needed to rush, and so that's all for this episode, I'm gonna think. But yeah, still it's awesome to see the progress. And if you follow my Instagram, you know the car is already at the body shop. There's already been a rear panel fitted in it. But I just wanted to give this thing to you guys so you can check out the hard work of prepping the car before the body shop, because yeah, it was some tricky weeks. I'm gonna show you. Let's go. Hey guys, metal works are still going, prepping for the body shop. I'm gonna give you a quick tour around where we're at the moment. We still got 1 week left, so yeah, I think we're gonna make it, so check this out. A lot of stuff, of course, in the engine bay, as you can see. Let me show you around. This needs to come off also, but first we're gonna drop the suspension for that. Check this out. Metal, all blank metal. Inside you can't see it very good, but all this yeah, I don't know how we call it, sort of isolation on it. So we took it all off, as you can see. There was a lot of stupid job also there, a little bit more. The glue, terrible job, but okay. The back, of course, as you can see. Also here. I'm glad we took it off, because I found some weird spots that are not done right. I don't know if you can see it very good, but the car was already resprayed right here. Fixed a little bit, so I think he had a little accident, or I don't know what it's supposed to be, but here also a little bit of welding inside. So yeah, the guy from the body shop is gonna check it out and see what we can do with it, because yeah, it looks a little bit nasty, but it's gonna be okay. And also the other side, completely blanket, a little bit of dust, of course, but as you can see, yeah, we're getting there. So and yeah, also the inside, we still need to clean it a little bit more, and maybe prepping it for just a fine layer, because we're not gonna be respraying it. Yeah, I mean, it is going to be resprayed, but not totally for show use, because yeah, we're gonna have carpet, we're gonna have door panels, so we're gonna do just a little bit of blue and that's it. Don't need to be that clean, but as you can see, the most of the job is just inside of here, because cleaning the engine bay, and yeah. So 1 week left. I'm getting right back in it, so guys, let's be strong. Late nights, I'm really tired, my arm is, I don't know, I don't think I have feeling in it anymore, but okay. All okay when the car is painted, driving, sunshine, you know, just cruising around, chilling. That was the episode. Short, I know. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you follow up, because next week I got one coming also about the brakes and stuff. Yeah, because now the car is at the body shop, and we need to focus on the little details. We didn't are finished yet. Small things, interior parts, searching for parts also, because I still need a lot of parts. And as you know, WORKZ is coming. It's getting closer and closer every day. We're already 2020, and so that gives us just about less than 4 months. So let's pray. It's gonna be a hard 4 months, an expensive 4 months, but I don't care about that. When the car is finished, I'm cruising around, and yeah, that's what we do it for, right? So see you guys next time. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Of course, like our movies, our channel. Go follow me on Facebook and Instagram also, because sometimes you get faster updates right there, right? Yeah, that's the easiest way for me. So don't always have the time to edit movies, so they're always coming in a little bit later. I'm doing my really best to get you as quickly as possible updated. Okay, so guys, thanks a lot. Bye.